What's going on, YouTube? I'm back and I'm very tired, as you can see. Anyways, we are going to be trying to install bags on my 2021 2SS Camaro, and I'm going to try to film. There is like no other YouTube videos on how to do it, so we shall be the first people to have a YouTube video on how to install the bags on a 21 Camaro, or 2021 Camaro. You know what I mean. Alright, but we shall start her up, load those boxes, and head over to the shop, and I will see you guys at the shop. So yeah. You wanna say hi to the YouTube? Did you just get my thing all wet?
Yeah.
Dang. Alright, we made it to the shop, you guys. As you can see, car's about to go in.
Oh yeah.
So
Better now.
So we are trying to find a spot for the tank, and we are having problems, and we're gonna try underneath the car. Alright, so we ran into some issues while trying to install the bags. My tank, which is right here, oh crap, right there, is a little too big. Like, it doesn't sit flush with the ground in the very back. It fits, like, soon as you open the trunk and you look down, it fits right there, but it blocks the battery, which is the only bad part. I will keep you guys updated though. We are going to try to finish everything tomorrow. So I will be recording that. As of right now, we are going to the drag strip to finish off the night. But we did work on it. We did make out, we did cut out like a little, like a wood, I would say. We cut that out to lay in the back of the trunk underneath the carpet, because if you guys know, if you have a Camaro, there's nothing back there besides like the actual car itself. So hopefully everything works. The setup's looking fire. Like, there's a different tank mounted right now onto the in the trunk, and I will show you guys what it looks like right now. But we will be finishing everything tomorrow, and I will be going more in depth on how to install bags on my 2021 Camaro 2SS. Other than that, take a look at these clips from the drag strip that I'm on my way to, you know. See ya. What's going on? Day 2 of installing the bags. So last night at the drag strip there was some pretty bad, it was a bad wreck, so we just ended up leaving, coming home. My eyes are extremely red still. I don't know why. I want to say it's because I changed out contacts, so that could be why my eyes are red. But we are about to head to the shop and finish these bags. So when I get to the shop or wherever, the gas station beforehand, I will show you the trunk setup, and then we shall get started on the actual install, because as of right now, it's just the trunk is just lined up and everything's mounted. Everything else is not done yet, so I will get back to you guys. You're good. Alright, let's get her up. The side skirt? You guys, we're having problems because the Camaro is already low, and it's hitting the side skirt. Okay, so what we did with the front, we haven't put the struts on, but we did the wiring. We just basically put it up through there and ran it down through here on the side skirt. It's all like the airline, right? And then if you go here, we ran it up around through the grommet right there and into the trunk because the battery sits right there. Now we are working on the other side. So we got everything wired through. Mark had to come to the rescue because he's a electrician. Here, hold up. Let me show him your work, Mark. Look, tapped in the fuse box. He's doing something. Oh yeah. This is how.
Hello.
This is how it started out. Okay, so. Oh. It's a mess right now. It's not going to be like this forever. The tank is going to be changed out once my tank is done getting customized, and hopefully, because my tank didn't fit, so we're gonna have to like lift it, do a whole different trunk setup. But this is how it's going to look right now. With it being said, the tank's full of air, everything's hooked up to the car. Oh. We just have to install the actual bags. Everything is, you know, like the air, everything is wired through. So I will give you guys another update on when the bags are actually on the car and how it turns out, because right now we're taking a little break. So I figured I should film and give you guys a little update. But everything trunk wise is set up now. This tank has to go into the shop to get customized, which is right here. It's about 2 inches bigger on each side, and that one fits perfect. This one, the tank that's in my car, came off of a Dodge SRT Durango, I believe. Yeah. Other than that, we just gotta see what's up with my tank to get that figured out. But I couldn't wait any longer. It's been 3 weeks since I've had the bags at my house, and they were just sitting there. So I just decided I'd do this. Okay, so we got the front ones in. Right here. You gotta drop both sides though. He just got done smashing his finger. His hand's all bloody. Anyways, you gotta drop both sides to be able to get the disc in. It's very hard to see. I'm so sorry. To get that in, and that here on top. You do the same side, or you do the same thing to both sides. Drop it, let everything off, but make sure you drop both sides to put that long silver bar in. And we're working on the back currently. Just had an incident. Still got the back left. Okay, here's a little update. So we installed the passenger rear. Took about 2 hours. You gotta, what did you gotta do? Drop the control arm?
Yeah, to get the strut and the spring out.
The strut and spring out. You gotta drop that, and it was a pain. So, yeah. The wires ran through right here. There. All through here. I just got done putting that back on. And we're doing the last side. It is currently 10:51. Day 2 of installing bags. Okay, so we finished up the back side. and we lowered it. It's all the way on the ground right now. It's still actually sitting on the stand, so we're going to try to raise it up, move that really quick, and get it off the stand. It's not completely aired out. There still is a lot of room with stock wheels, because that's what I was worried about. Other than that, he is setting it up, and yeah, and it is now, from last time, 12:19. It's been a long 2-day process for a fact. So we finished the bags, and this is how it looks. Don't mind them. Just got done washing her, about to take her for a spin, and then go get her aligned. This is how she's looking. She's sitting very low. And then be sure, if you haven't already, like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that post notification bell. Peace.